Hi. Every week I will post a topic or question or debate about items discussed in class or that come up in your readings. By the deadline indicated, you will contribute to the discussion and post a brief, well-written paragraph, usually a minimum of 5 sentences, discussing the topic and its connections with the concepts being discussed in class. You will post your paragraphs in the discussion forum of Blackboard. There will be four of these, each worth 50 points for a total of 200 points. It may not be made up for any reason. If you post them past the deadline, you may not get full credit. Please check the schedule and look for the dates when these will be due. You will get credit 50 points if you get a minimum of one well thought out, well written paragraph discussing the issues involved. The second component of this assignment is to comment on at least one of the responses written by one of your classmates. You may respond to more than one, but you must comment on at least one of the responses to get full credit. The issues presented up for discussion may involve controversial issues related to a topic in cultural geography. If the issue is a debate, please make sure and present both sides of the issue, and you may provide an opinion of the side of the issue you may support. Please be respectful of people with opinions different than yours. Keep etiquette rules in mind as you write your responses. Cultural geography topic discussion number 1. This is the first assignment. We live in a border town, and as a result, we are perhaps more aware of the issues involved in the national debate over immigration. The issue is controversial, with two sides of the debate providing deeply personal and passionate points to argue for their side of the issue. For background information, you may read Chapter 3 of the textbook on migration, and specifically pages 104 to 105 on U.S.-Mexico border issues. Please debate immigration reform, tougher controls or legal status. Debate whether the U.S. should implement tougher measures to battle unauthorized immigration, or whether the U.S. should deal with those unauthorized migrants who are here already and provide a path for legal status.